2025 tuabwata abana 603 asa abana aba 603 etuanyorete mean ya 8.0 ere improvement by 0.07 from last year's result. Abana bachete university bare 541 out of 603. Pass to university is 90%. Abana baitomba nyarete ko baba okora buya esengencho ebarenga abana bare disciplined, barenge dedicated and hard working. They were also prayerful. Igontore no mogoko aso konyore result yengia yo mwaka oyo eto 2025 no mwaka oyo buno twanyo chake tono chakire buya naende tunatarajia tuwe na matokeo. Target yaito nigo yarenge 9.8 lakini rende improvement njabete nande negenderete koba goika twekereire target yaito tebweito na abana na abaibori n'abarimu mbwarengo buya ntwarenge gentekemo nande ntwabwateranete buya kuri omochakano bw'omwaka goika omweri bw'omwaka
yaito omwaka oyo 2025 ekero yakori amatemo abana barenga oti candidate obarenge 232 nande nabatwara ojenga nabora abana abaya abaiseka abaya n'abamura abaya barenge very disciplined. Akarango chaona chete 2024 January. Omwako 2023 konya baraja zile mean ya 3.5. Omwana oyo akaenda university out of 82. Akara twakora matemo omwaka o 2024 elina achire tukasuka kure mean ya 3.5 to 4.7. Abana tiza wakaenda university out of 134 in 2024. Wano mwaka ulio tuwabwata abantu 234 min 232 tokanyole mini ya 5.7. Abana msini bachete university 74 wakanyora C-plane. Abana 79 wakanyora C-. Bono ekero korigeria skuru eye ase mechezo na bere igoro abana abo banjete mechezo sana yo bono tole ngangari tole choncho toganyeta abana ba CPC oise korigeria igaiga abana bakire abageni twachakire gwa Dimitri tukoria rero alafu chipati weyo tobwate chionzi P system ebwate sita times 3 on 18 socio ebwate inya times 3 on 12 sport ya twara ibere times 3 on 6 ayo toro chinechi nyinge igonga ototagete kistream isano gochigoro asabana wa CPC agakogera konyara tole twarura atambe na atambe togochi
skuru yaito jana tege kwira abana 49 kuche university out of 74. Mid grade yaito yagete 6.838. Aso mwaka wa 2024 etwabate mid grade ya 5.029. Igontu atwarete positive improvement for 5.0 to 6.8. Ayos last thing cho abana twabwate omwaka oria barenga abana bomukia ade twarete boarding so chinga kichinyigero barenge school bari kujara gusoko chisco na bari murobo mukiba bwato monene asoko okoranga abana aba anyare ko babwe konya so ekera abana barasi boarding kocha bari bakonya ka basomi gubambi na butuko igomba bwati chinsa chinyinge cyo basomirwa kwa Italia omwaka orio 2024 twabwate bakaigo barenga boarding na abaibori batu bwatesia board of management community yare very positive kocha goto bwatesia asayo si agakorekana Igobono tukwirareria saa ng'ambu ya bono to etwabegete 5.7 itwabete tukayetania tukagenda baka 6.8 enda barimu baisarasite bakarigereria omwaka oyo 2026 barorire nabo barachi bayore etarget yabeke 7.5 abada ba grade 10 bagenderete gocha ndero baigora twaitwe abada 270 so far twarisibirie abada 80 and abade bagenderete gocha abari bada bari tayari sana korisibwa abada abo tobwate both day na boarding.
Come to Riabigo to PH Secondary School. Riabigo to Isasam County School. But I want to thank God for the hard work Yavana, Navarimu, and other stakeholders of the school, particularly the church here next to the school. Asogatorera abana baiton discipline. Matem nairete nasogeton Friday. We want to thank God that we got one of an A-, which is historic. B+ is equally historic. B plain it's historic, and B- is still historic. The previous year the highest grade was C+, but we were able to register those grades. And one thing that comes out very strongly, most of them now are good to pake holiday. And their hard work has finally paid off. And equally notable is that we didn't have any E grade in the performance here now. So we also want to encourage even when you at D+, D plain, we have D-, na C- and C. Much as Patachite University, they can join middle level colleges.
Msaki Sorori, the principal St. Peter's Chironge High School, and currently, as we refer it at St. Peter's Chironge Senior School. I've been here for the last 18 years, and last year's exam of the Form 4s is the class that I had actually admitted on experiment. I admitted 150 students, and more than 120 of them were actually students whom we gave partial scholarship. 120 candidates, but of those 120 candidates, one dropped out. 119 that remained, 100 managed to score a C+ and above. We had 3 B+, and those were actually reflection of KCP marks from primary. Those whom we gave 100% scholarship, not being sent home, fed, retained in school at all time. Sometimes we do shopping for them, and that is what I've done personally. Then 11 B plain, 45 B-, 41 C+. Then C plain we had 10, C- 6, D+ 2, D plain 1. And this one tells you it is a normal curve. The one with the D plain was having a healthy problem. Therefore, our result of this year, we expected, our target was a mean of 7, because we had been monitoring these people right from Form 1, as I told you. We expected them to actually reach a mean of 7, which they had been actually attaining with their classwork. Now they surpassed that to 7.4 to 7.49. In fact, I never experienced any discipline case because of the role of the church. That is the Chironge St. Philip Parish Fraternity Church, who played a very significant role. The parents cooperated. Sometimes we could call home for the parent to respond when we just don't have anything to feed them.